Hey everyone, it's Jeanette and today I'm here with the Ipsy Box Ultimate, I believe it is. This is the $50 a month box. I am so excited. I have opened it, but I haven't opened it until now, so I am very excited to have my first impressions with you guys. I did look to see what's in it, but I don't remember any of it. So this is legitimately going to be my 100% authentic first impressions, and I am honestly just in a really good mood right now. I hope you guys can tell that I'm genuinely in such a good mood, and I believe there are 12 products in here, so I am just going to jump right into this because it's going to be a long video. So I'm going to start with the first thing I see, which is this Superfood CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. It has CBD oil, black sesame seed oil, chia seed oil, black cumin seed oil, broccoli seed oil, carrot seed oil, grapeseed oil, and flax seed oil. It says it calms skin and helps reduce redness. It improves skin rejuvenation, fights against acne and clogged pores, restores moisture in skin, rich in omega-6 cells renewal, and has an antimicrobial properties and improves the skin. So you apply onto dry face and gently massage to break down makeup and impurities. Add water to rinse and add water to activate dual phase emulsion. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So I honestly want to smell it. It's a pretty big bottle. It is 5 ounces. And it smells, it has an interesting smell. There's no added fragrances, I'd assume it's all natural, which is what you want to look for in your makeup products. So this seems like it's going to be a good product, and I can't wait to try it out and show you guys what I think of it. Next, I have this Naked Cosmetics. It looks like a foundation package. Okay, so it is compacts. Alright, it looks like there are 4 different loose glitters. So I just swatched this one for you guys. I don't know if you can even tell. I feel like, so this is one of them. This is one. It's not focusing very good. I'm gonna get a new camera soon, so don't worry you guys, this won't be an issue anymore. And the 4th one is a dark brown color. I feel like I would apply this with a wet brush, and yeah. I'm honestly not a big fan of loose glitters, but I will still try these out just so I can give you guys my opinion on them. Next, I have this Juliet Has a Gun perfume. This scent Vanilla Vibes. It smells very good. I usually wear the same perfume every single day, but since I have another perfume, I will definitely get into wearing more perfumes now. And it smells so good. You guys don't understand. That just like filled the room with vanilla scent, and I love it. Next, I have this Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. So once you take off this little stopper it has, it just comes out like that. So you put on a little cotton round and put it on your face. It smells like watermelon, so obviously it smells very good. So it has artificial fragrance, I'd assume, but I'm not 100% sure. It smells really good, and I'm very excited to use this because I love watermelon scents. Next, I have this hand cream by the brand Barefoot Venus, in the scent The Vanilla Effect, and it says it's instant hand repair. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hands right now. It smells like vanilla, so that's always a good thing. And it's very, very thick, but it's making my hands feel very, very soft. And yeah, it is Very nice packaging. I like it. I'm probably going to be putting that in my purse. And now that I have got to the bottom a little bit more, this is the bag that came with the box. Very spooky vibes. And the back says Your Magic. Next I have this Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It has 6 different colors here. I can't wait to try this out. I really can't wait to try that blue shade and that green shade. I'm going to swatch them for you. So that blue shade is called Chill. This pink shade that I'm going to swatch is called Cuddle. And the green shade is called Sweater Weather, which is the perfect shade. They feel a little bit chalky, but very soft at the same time. Feels like there's going to be a little bit of fallout when you use the shadows, but it's nothing that you can't handle. Next I have this Dr. Branded Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfect Exfoliator. Helps refine the appearance of pores and cleans pores. Helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. I have a lot of exfoliators, but I will still try this out and then probably pass it on to someone else, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it first. And let me open it up so I can show you guys what it smells like. It honestly has kind of a minty scent, so it's probably going to feel really cooling on the skin. So I'm excited to see how that plays out. The instructions are to dampen skin with water, slowly and gently massage cream in for 1 minute, avoiding the eye area. Allow 1 to 2 minutes to activate and deep clean pores. Rinse and pat dry. Use 1 to 2 times a week, allowing 3 days in between applications. So it seems like it's going to be a very harsh exfoliator if it's telling you to wait 3 days before each use. Next I have this Ofra blush that is stuck in this, and I can't get the tape off of it, so oh, here we go. So it's this Ofra blush in the shade Bellini. And this is what it looks like. It's very soft, and let me swatch it for you guys. So that there is 2 dips into it. It's a very corally color. It doesn't look corally on camera, but in person it looks pretty corally. Next I have this Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. So I guess watermelon is the theme for this month. I'm going to put a little bit on right now, even though I have a liquid lipstick on. As of right now, it feels very nice and smells very much like watermelon, so obviously I'm already a fan. Next, I have this Complexion Culture Concealer Brush. It is very dense, as you can tell there. And I have a lot of brushes, but I don't have any brushes like this, so I'm excited to see how this one plays out. Now I'm getting to the bottom 2 items. I have this Super Hydrating Eye Cream. And it's wrapped up in plastic, so I'm not going to open it up right now. And I have 2 full-sized eye creams, so I'm probably not going to start using this one for a while, just because I don't want to have too many eye creams open right now. And the last product is Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Face Mask. It says, after ritual cleansing, apply an even layer on the face, avoiding mouth area. Rinse gently with tepid water in circular motions, preferably after 10 to 15 minutes. And it says it features a smoothly gliding cream texture with clay powder to remove sebum and help moisturize dehydrated skin. So this will help with acne and will moisturize your skin. And so it seems like it'll be a nice face mask. I've been really getting into wearing a face mask like every other day. So yeah, mostly because I've been getting a lot of them in these Ipsy boxes, so I'm just trying to use them up. And so yeah, this was this month's Ipsy box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you have tried any of these products, if you have heard of any of these products and have any recommendations, and if maybe you don't like any of these products. I think it's always fun when people have different opinions, so leave a comment down below. Comment down below what time it is when you're watching this, because I'd love to know, and it will help me gauge what time I should be uploading my videos. I'm going to start uploading my videos every Monday and Friday right now at 4 o'clock, but if you guys have a time that works better for you, comment down below so you can watch as soon as I upload. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye!